This video goes over 12.2, Advanced Factoring. So now we're going to use the X box method. How do we know to use this? Because our A value is bigger than 1. If your A value is 1, use the X method. But if your A value is bigger than 1, that might be time to use the X box method. So when we set up our X, the top is going to be A times C, and the bottom is going to be B. This is our A value, this is our B value, and this is our C value. So the top here is going to be 60, and the bottom is going to be 17. What two numbers that you multiply to get 60 can also be added together to get 17? 12 and 5, it turns out, are the answers. So we're going to use those, and we're also going to use our original A and C terms, and we're going to build a box. Our original 2x squared goes here, our original 30 goes here, and the 12 and 5 go here and here respectively, doesn't matter which, and we add an x to them because they came from the x. And now we're going to work backwards to figure out where a 2x and an x goes. If you take a look at this one, 2x, does that multiply evenly into 5? Let's not put it there. We'll have to deal with fractions. Let's put a 2x here and an x there because 2 goes evenly into 12 and 1 goes evenly into 5. And I can go from there. This is going to be a 5, this is going to be a 6. My final answer is 2x plus 5 times x plus 6. Let's see another one. If you wanted to, you could set up your box, x in your box first. Some students got in the habit of writing their 5x squared or their minus 4 before doing anything. On the top, we're going to take a times c, so that's a negative 20. On the bottom, we're going to take b, which is a negative 1. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to give us negative 20 and add to give us negative 1. So that's negative 5 and positive 4. Those are going to go in here, negative 5x and 4x. And then I have to think about what are some factors of 5x squared, 5x and x. So where can I write them? I better put the 5x here. If I put it on the top, it wouldn't go evenly into 4. Here, this is going to be a negative 1, and this is going to be a 4, because x times what is 4x? 5x times what is negative 5x? So my answer is 5x plus 4 times x minus 1. Here's another example of how to make a problem like this easier. What do they have in common? They have a negative 2x squared. If I pull that out, I'm left with x squared minus 10x minus 24. And now I only have to use the x method. The negative 24 on top, the negative 10 on bottom, negative 12 and 2. So negative 2x squared from the original times x minus 12 times x plus 2.